Hey, it's Lil J. 223 knocking nigga off his feet. Everywhere I go, bitch, I'm clutching my heat. Everywhere I go, bitch, a beat it, I'ma steal. Designer belt holding on my pants. Yo, bitch tryna fuck, wouldn't even give her a chance. If it ain't about the money, don't speak to the clan.
Yo, what is up, YouTube, man? I'm in this bit, man. Listen, bro. I'm in here with another banger, man. Listen. Hey, we got them jumps, man. You got them Draco slides, bro. Draco, sponsor me, bro. Let's go to the video, man. Oh shit, I just can't open them like that. Hold on, bitch, I'm too heavy. Hold on, y'all too bad. I got bags on bags, nigga, on my mama. Nigga, stop playing with me, boy. Cause I got them, yeah, baby. What? What that nigga do say? Draco, boy, you did your shh. This man, we can open this one. Shoot, any money, more. Catch a Draco by a slide. Alright, finish off this one right here, man. Open this up. You feel me? Yeah. Bro, they gave me white slides, bro. These the wrong colors. Wait, unless these the mystery ones. Hold on. Oh, God wants to get some mystery food. I know I ain't get white at all, cause these hoes would be dirty to the bed. Y'all see, man. Y'all see, man. If y'all can see, bro. We finna go to the next one. Next one. These gotta be the good ones. Yup. What that is, boy? Hold on. Woo! Draco, boy. Woo! Hey. I might throw you over on school more. I ain't gonna care to you. Hey. What this is, bro? I want you, man. You ain't got Draco slide, bro. Draco, man. I ain't done. Got the white Draco. Feel me? I can really use these as forces. When I want to wear some white forces, but I ain't got no. What's the name? So I throw in these white Dracos. On me. I was supposed to have some brown ones too, but sure, I guess they didn't come. You got an issue, bro. Maybe they'll come. I don't know. Wait. Feel me? Got the white Dracos, black Dracos. I don't know if they got it. I'm creating a mix here, bro. Come on, boy. We go do these like this. We go do these like this. Yeah, put these on my shoulder. Oh man, we should have Draco slides, nigga. I'll rob the Draco store on my mom. Not this way. Hey though, man. We finna go ahead and put these up so see how comfortable they is. See how they looking, bro. My mom be tough, man. Tough. Ding. Who calling? They go backwards. Upside down. I lift around. Who calling? Oh crap, my hood coming off. Bro, I look like, what's that nigga name? I don't know, fool. I don't know. Yeah, y'all don't clown me, bro. That's my ski. Bro, y'all probably like, this nigga still ain't put the hoes on yet. Cause shit, I don't know. You just gotta admire them, you know? I ain't gonna lie, I might put these in a trophy case. I don't think I'm ever wear these. Man. Y'all see motherfucker, man. Yeah, oh, my camera tilted. Peep the Drakes, bro. Peep the Drake. Come on, nigga. Peep the Drake, nigga. Oh God. Middle buckle. Oh God, nigga. Oh. Don't mind my shoe, bro. I almost slipped and lost my life in my Crocs. I mean, I said I'm on my shoe, on my socks. Feel me? You scrapping these? Oh, let me not even stress and try to see if I can fight these. I don't know, fool. I'm gonna sit down. Boom! Somebody try to take my Draco slides. White Dracos. Wham. Wham. Oh, I said metal, bro. That's plastic. I'm dumb. White Dracos, man. Tap in. Listen, man, if you watching this right now, bro, like, comment, subscribe, and get you some Dracos, bro. Cause shit, nigga, we just fell in love just like that, nigga. That's like, nigga. I need therapy in my. I don't know what's up with the brown ones. Ain't no law. Watch out the browns. But it's really late at night, fool. I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm really getting sleepy. So, shoot, I really finna hit the bed. So I'm gonna catch y'all niggas later, bro. For real. Like, I'm so sleepy right now, I just can't stop moving. I can't do none of that. Like, I'm trying to stay up right now. Oh yeah, man. So you get your Draco slides from, bro. You know what I mean? Tap in if you need some, man. He snap a pic of you wearing your Dracos drip and tag us on the ground at Draco Slides, and we will hit you up with the 20% off discount code www.dracoslides.com.